Most people think passive income means making money while doing nothing. But in 2025, passive income is all about building smart systems that pay you over and over again, even while you're sleeping. In today's video, we're breaking down 10 passive income ideas that actually work and that real people are using right now to build financial freedom. Let's get started. Number 1. Digital products. E-books, templates, printables, and digital courses continue to explode in 2025. You create the product once, and it sells forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to get started. Number 2. Dividend stocks. These are companies that pay shareholders a portion of their profits every quarter. You buy shares once, and then enjoy income for as long as you hold them. It's one of the most reliable passive income streams in history. Number 3. YouTube automation. No showing your face, no filming, no recording. You outsource the voiceover, scriptwriting, and editing, while you focus on uploading and collecting ad revenue. This method is growing fast because the potential for scale is huge. Number 4. Print on demand. You upload a design, and companies like Printful or Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and customer support. It's low risk, and you only pay when someone orders. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Share products you love, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can promote Amazon products, software, or digital tools, with zero upfront cost. Number 6. High-yield savings accounts. Interest rates remain higher than usual in 2025, meaning you can earn passive income just by keeping money in the right account. No work required, no risk involved. Number 7. Stock photos and videos. If you have a camera, or even just a smartphone, you can upload photos to websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every download earns you money, again and again. Number 8. Rent your assets. In 2025 you can rent out almost anything: your car, equipment, storage space, tools, or even your parking spot. Passive income from things you're not using anyway. Number 9. Automated dropshipping. With modern AI tools, product research, customer service, and marketing can be automated. You never handle inventory, and the entire system can run with minimal involvement. And number 10. Building an app or simple software tool. You don't need to be a programmer. You can hire developers on platforms like Upwork. A simple subscription-based tool can generate dependable monthly cash flow. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems that pay you for years. If you want a deeper breakdown of any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart money tips.